Good afternoon, Sharon. Please tell me about yourself and your work experience.
Good day. My name is Sharon Silario, 35 years old, single. My mother is a housewife and my father is a farmer. I am undergraduate of Bachelor of Science in Nursing. I have 2 sisters and 4 brothers. I am the second eldest of the family. I work as a domestic helper in Kuwait for 12 years in one employer and one kid age 6. My duties are taking care of the kid, especially house cleaning, cooking, washing, and ironing of the clothes, and I tutor the kid in English.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep at 10 o'clock in the evening and I wake up as early as 5 in the morning.
Are you the one who does the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, Mom.
In 1 week, how many times do you go to market?
Twice a week, Mom.
How do you describe the kind of upbringing your parents did to you?
My parents are very strict to us, Mom. They teach us how to be responsible, kind, honest, and God-fearing, and especially they teach us how to do house chores.
Do they spoil you or teach you how to be independent?
They did not spoil to us, Mom. Instead, they teach us how to be independent.
In Hong Kong, kids are super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be very patient to the kids, Mom. Then, I talk to them slow and polite manner that they need to behave.
In your previous work, how did you manage the children and what are you going to do if the kids are too playful so you can work smoothly?
First, I will manage my time working so can I have time to work with the kids, or if my employer allow us to watch kids show, I will let them to watch the kids and so can I work smoothly.
How would you describe your previous employer? Did they give you set of rules they like or don't like you to do, or it is up to your style?
My previous employer, they are strict to me, Mom. Sometimes they are good, sometimes not, and they let me to do work as my own as long as I have work.
Is there another helper in your previous employer?
No, Mom.
Are you afraid of dogs or cats?
No, Mom.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, Mom.
Please sing it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, N, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Thank you. Are your teeth natural or false teeth?
I have 3 falls in the upper right molar, Mom, and the rest are natural, Mom.
Thank you, Sharon. That's all.
Thank you too, Mom, and have a good day, Mom and Sir.